Come on. Come on. Oh, okay.
Bust a move. Bust a move.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Kari, get off of him. He don't feel like playing. Can't tell him no.
Did you just stop and pee?
This my mama. What you gonna do about it? This my mama.
Wow, they gotta enjoy this.
Stella, we got you something for Christmas. Do you love it?
What is wrong with my dog eating his breakfast in the splooge position?
Vamos a ir anotando sus vacunas. La primera vacuna se llama quíntuple.
Knocked out, dude.
Okay. Hey, you guys missed that?
Еще хочешь? Что?
Bantai nak cuma bibi. Masuk sampah-sampah ni. Kau sampah ni mah. Entar.
A higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer.
Hi. Oh, Rusty, you are so funny.
Our approaches.
ไม่ให้เอาไปอ่ะ
พี่แป้งเอาน้องกลับบ้านด้วยมันอยากอยู่กับพี่แป้งเห็นไหมเนี่ย
อ๋อเอง
อยู่กัน
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Wrong way, hun. This ain't it.
Good girl.
Get him, puppy.
Another kiss. Mwah.
Come brush your hair. Come here. Come here. Stop. Okay.
What are you doing?
It's very sweet.
I just needed to let you know that I need attention. I need you to tell me that I'm pretty. Tell me that you're proud of me. Please. Bestie, give me attention or I'm gonna die.
Just hold this while I measure something, right? Good boy. Bit more. Good boy.
Much there, sorry.
Huh?
Yeah, Lily too.
And Lily too.
Oh, Lily too.
I think I like this little life.
Are you kidding? you see a cute cat? Ramona.
Sit. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Santa Maria.
Quit lifting your head, goof.
Ay, молодец.
Давай сюда.
Is it cold out there?
This girl is the nastiest skank bitch I've ever met.
Smile. Let me see those teeth. Let me see them. Let me see them. Quit licking. Stop licking. Stop.
I'm pretty sure Franklin's stuck. Franklin, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay?
Sitting on my seat with a big old bite scrape taken out of it.
That's a bad boy.
Okay.
Dang, your dog's bad.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a friend.
Oh, fuck. That's the problem right there. That's the problem right there. You ain't got no damn Obama fluid in here.
Oh my god.
Are you complaining to me about something?
No. Bro, do you want some cheese?
dog.
What are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna do with it? You gonna give it to me? No? Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Oh no, don't jump down now.
What? What? What are you doing on that chair? Cruz, easy. Easy. Why are you leaning so hard?
Выйти. Выйти.
Real bitch. No, you're not gonna call me no bitch, 'cause I'm not none of these ones. I'm gonna whip your ass. I'm not none of them.
What the fuck?
Зачем ты трогаешь этот...
Gonna do what about it and how gonna do what about it?
No. Rachel, come here. Rachel, cover. Rachel, cover.
You gotta open your legs up, baby. There you go.
Cover. Rachel, cover.
Mikey, тихо.
Oh, God, no.
Oh my God.
My dog likes the best. Right. First off, the straight one.
Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay, release.
have? Why do you have my cell phone? Drop it.
Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, nice.
Think that this is a treat. That is not poo-poo on my floor. It is dirt from his paw. Ow! Ow!
Take him home. Take him home.
Were you gonna have a little snack in my car? Is that what you were doing?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Yay!
Can you sit? Sit down. Talk to me. Talk.
It's gonna get you, Todd.
Can you wag your tail? Thank you.
Hey, listen. If you want it, you be nice. Yes.
Taylor. It's gonna lose. Oh. No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Go to the slide. Go to the slide.
Who else has the skittish dog? I literally poked you.
Oh my gosh. What did you do? No, I'm not gonna give you belly rubs.
Who did this? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jacko, was it? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yay. Good boy. Good boy. No, I don't have a pit bull. I have a little baby.
I know. Good. 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 Good job.
Vaikka. Totta hienosti. Totta näin. Hyvä. Hienosti.
What do you got there, my dude? Here, let me light that for you. Oh, good job!
I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
Oh, where are you going? Let's get. Wow, boy. Gosh. Zits. Let's. Zits.
Okay. You look great!
The never-ending game. Big jump.
No. No.
Nice, darling.
Hey! Come on now. Why you gotta be like that? There you go. Face the right direction. No. Hey! It's cold. God, are you serious? Come on now.
It's been 5 liters of gas. It's still